On today's menu, an easy appetizer that's packed with flavor. Olive Tapenade.
Olive Tapenade is so easy to make, it's definitely a crowd pleaser.
Garlic. Olives. Parsley. Capers. Salt. Pepper, olive oil, blend on medium-high.
And just pour in that amazing tapenade.
Tapenade ready.
Now for your toast.
Slice. Baking pan. Broil on low for 3 to 5 minutes. A super easy appetizer with a bold flavor.
All you need are a few ingredients and you have this incredibly flavorful appetizer.